Every time we do this, it's a little different. This group's been really awesome, really chill, really easygoing, and we've all walked really well. So join us next time.
Whew. Here you go, guys. Fish trail, Annapurna South. Pretty much 4,100 meters high from sea level. Whew. Hard to breathe.
Say that again.
What leans in?
Oh, is it getting claustrophobic in here?
You know, and maybe talk to each other and talk to share with Kamal, talk to Hemanta, Max, even me. I love to share my story with you guys, you know, about people culture and people everything. You guys in here for, you know, learning the culture, learning the tree, flower, like the insect, butterfly, whatever, you know. Just walking like a running like a crazy person is no point. It's make you sick. And you guys from the like pretty much, I know I'm from also, I live in Australia. We from so sea level down, and we are now up. And I know Jack feeling little crabs today from Eastern. Maybe tonight, maybe somebody gonna feel that same. So we need to go slow and relax. Let's talk about, let's make like really memorable, enjoyable, and let's don't take the let's don't think about don't take away like a physical things like, oh, I'm strong, I can go up like that. No, let's do this. If you see the Nepali people, how they walk really slow, and they stamina never like they never feel tired. They go slow, but keep same move but slow. Yeah, and they're breathing really good, and they can go fast. And if you run 5 minutes fast and then if you flat, that's not really good for body. So let's go slow, enjoy and help each other. You know, some people have a moment and help each other. And something, you know, everything is like helping each other, sharing culture. I love to have guys talk with you and share. You know, if you guys ask me question, I really love to give you really many answers. Because if you don't ask me anything and you keep walking, and you know what to do.
He loves to talk.
So, okay. So let's go. Have fun.
Hey!
Hey, let's go.
Hey!
Fun.
Thank you!